Hi guys, this is Miss Rebecca, and I just wanted you guys to know that I do miss you guys so much. What we're going to do today is in woodworking, we're going to work with our plastic bolts, and we are going to stack them. We're going to see how tall we can stack these. You guys like to use these for ice cream cones and other things, but what we're going to do today is try to stack them, see if they can fit inside each other, and see how tall we can get this. So we're going to start with this green one. What color is this? I'm going to do yellow. What color is that? Orange. It's already kind of shaky, so I'm going to move it a little bit down here on this other surface. And it's already wobbly, so we got to be careful. I'm going to stack just a few and see if it works. Another green one. Do you guys think I can make 6 of them without it falling? We're going to see. Oop, I guess not. And they're all falling. So I was able to get 4 to stay on top of each other without them falling. Let's see how many you guys can do. Thanks for watching.